Well, let's see for the last session the tech will work. Joke aside.
Thanks for everyone who stayed after the regulatory panel, the most exciting part of the day, of course. Sadly, very important, and a lot of time and work goes into that.
Can someone help us with the tech, or are we like winging it? I think we're going to wing it. Ah, yes, almost.
Now
we just need Kevin.
Not our keys, not our laptops. So. I think we need to wing it.
We'll wait. Thank you for staying. Oh, thank you.
So I've been designing this protocol for peer-to-peer presentations and slides for this kind of events. So a white paper is dropping soon. It's peer-to-peer over local network. It synchronizes while you're editing your slides, and there's a node that on stage that directly presents when you come in on stage. So it's coming.
Okay, we have it. Excellent. So our closing remarks start with thank you. Thank you for being here with us today. Thank you for staying till now. We are super proud to actually be sponsoring ETHDenver. It is actually at the core and the heart of how NEAR thinks about multi-chain and collectively making Web3 better. We are extremely thankful also to our sponsors, Aurora, Proximity Lab, Shilling Point, ETHDenver, Rev Finance, Calimero, Brave, Few and Far, and Meatbase. So huge thank you to all of them. I also want to say a personal thank you to the NEAR Foundation events team for putting that together. I know how every event, thank you, you guys are amazing. Every event is always a little bit of stress, so you're doing great. Thanks, that was awesome. Now, what did you hear about today? Quite a few announcements, and I'll go through those. Few and Far, congratulations to the team. They've raised $10.5 million. With folks like Pantera. That's very big, and we're super proud that they're building on NEAR. Calimero launched their private shard, and developers can now actually start participating and helping build that amazing ecosystem, so that's huge, and we're also really looking forward to that. And Aurora announced Aurora Cloud. I think those were all the announcements, right? Yeah. Maybe there's more.
JavaScript SDK v1, hey yo. No applause for that? All right, there's more things happening. So David mentioned we have an official opening party for ETHDenver, which is Ethereum Without Limits. It's happening here in Mission Ballroom, so 10:30 is opening. I'm sure I'll see all of you there. There's actually a bunch of talks at ETHDenver across me, Marieke, Alex Bowen, Alex Shevchenko, so please come to that. Some things will be, if you missed the talks here today, some things will be new. Finally, if you only remember one thing from the whole day, you need to remember that NEAR is the boss. And I want to do this, but I'm afraid I'm going to break the microphone. But anyway, the idea is NEAR is not just a blockchain. All of this kind of tools and protocols and systems that are coming together to really serve the user, to really enable them to own their data, to own their identity, to own their assets, and make decisions. And that's what we call blockchain operating system. So NEAR's the boss. Thank you, everyone. And we'll see you at the party. And by the way, if you have not grabbed alpha.near.org account, it's your time right now.
Who's the boss? Thank you.
Thank you.
What we're living in, let me tell ya.